welcome back to Mission Impossible Family Missions.
I don't know where we're
This segment is the interview with my father about how he feels and failing in our mission. Please excuse the weird noise. I'm so sister. Okay, time to interview. Father. Okay, Father, how do you feel about failing in our mission?
I feel like they failed. It was their thing that didn't work.
I see.
Fail. Interview fails. This interview fails. Okay, it stinks.
Anyway,
I don't know how to interview people.
How does it feel to be a failure as an interviewer?
I'm not a failure as an interviewer. Okay, Daddy, how do you think we'll go back?
I'm waiting for my turn.
Your turn is next!
Stop. We gotta discuss